Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. So for today's video, I am doing kind of a series that I do on my channel. I've actually only done it twice before, but I want to do it again because I got a new palette kind of recently. I think I got it like a month ago, but I got the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to recreate the looks in the pamphlets that it comes with. Sometimes eyeshadow palettes come with these little pamphlets that give you look ideas and how to do the look. I'm gonna test them out. I'm gonna see if they actually look good and I like the looks. So before we hop on into the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy it. And if you'd like to know how all of the looks turn out, then please just keep watching. So this pamphlet actually comes with 4 looks, and I think usually they come with 3. So I'm just gonna pick 3 today because I don't really want to do this look. It looks like it's just 2 eyeshadows, and these looks I have a hard time doing on my eyes because I have hooded eyes. It takes me forever. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other 3. I'm gonna zoom you guys up and I'm gonna voice over this just so the video is not too long. Okay, so for the first look I chose this Mustardy Yellow matte look, and the first shade is Vanilla Wafers. It says to take this shade and highlight from crease to brow bone with it, so that's what I did. I'm just following the instructions exactly how they say. And then next I'm taking For the Gram and I'm putting it into my crease with the large fluffy crease brush and also smudging it onto my lower lash line. Now taking Butterscotch, it says to press it onto the lid, but it didn't say to blend it or anything. I just chose to blend it a little bit because without blending a matte shade, it looks a little bit too choppy for me. So I added this onto my lid and then just blended it out a little lightly throughout the crease. And then the last step was just to create a winged liner with the shade Cookie Call, which is a nice dark brown. I wish I deepened up the outer part of my crease a little bit more and my outer corner to make the contrast a little bit better between the shades like it shows in the picture, but I just didn't notice that. So this is what it ended up looking like. A little bit different than the picture, but I really liked how it turned out. This is the next look. I forgot that they all have their own little names. So this one is called Sugar Mama and the last one was Cinnamon Toast. And the first step for this was to take plenty of dough and place it into your crease up to your brow. And then taking Gingerbread Glam into the crease as well and also on the lower lash line. A lot of these looks, well, basically all of them had kind of the same technique, which also makes it very easy if you are wanting to achieve a look but maybe wanting to switch up the shades a little bit. Now I'm just taking Candy Queen onto my lid. I am pressing it onto my lid using my finger, and that way I get the most pigmentation out of the shade. And then I am taking Cookie Call and putting it on the outer, upper, and lower lash line and just smoking it out and deepening up the look. And then that was the last step for this look. I was supposed to put on Lick the Spoon on my inner corner, but I seem to have forgotten that. And I am putting my lashes on off camera just to complete the look. I'm just focusing on the eyeshadow part of the tutorial. And then, yeah, this is the second look. And the look I chose to do was a little bit more red and kind of pink and peachy. It is called Spice Girl. So I'm just warming up the crease with the shade In a Pinch. It also said to drag it up to your brow bone, but this shade was way too deep to do that. It would have looked kind of silly, so I just kept it right into the crease. And then next I am taking Extra Spicy into the crease as well to deepen it up and blend it onto the lower lash line. Now I'm taking Hot Tamale and smoking it onto my outer crease and on my lower lash line as well. So this was kind of the same steps that I did in the last eye tutorial, just with different shades basically. For the lid shade now, I'm taking Drizzle It and I'm also pressing that onto my lid using my fingers. And then this time I didn't forget to highlight my inner corners with the shade Lick the Spoon. guys, well that was the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. These looks are very easy to do, so a pamphlet is actually a really good idea, especially for beginners. That way you have an idea of what you can do for looks, and there is only 3 to 4 steps in each look, which makes it extremely quick and easy. So really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!